this video, we're going to be looking at some examples where we're going to write a rule given a term and the common difference. So we're going to write a rule for the nth term of the sequence. So number one, I'm given that the 19th term is negative 45 and my common difference is negative 3. Well, in order to write my rule, I need to know what the first term is. However, I do have one term that is there. And so using my rule, so I have an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d, I can go ahead and start plugging in information I have. So first I have that a19 is negative 45. So I can replace n with 19. And d with negative 3. But now I have an a1 and I have an a19. And I just want a1 to be the only variable in this. Well, I also know that a19 is equal to negative 45. So I can replace the a19 with negative 45. And now I have this equation. I can solve this for a1. Well, when I do 18 times negative 3, I get negative 54. So now I have negative 45 is equal to a1 minus 54. Then adding 54 to both sides. And so I get that a1 is equal to 9. So now I have my first term, I have my common difference, so now I can go ahead and plug those into my rule form to get my actual rule. So I have a1 is 9 plus n minus 1 times d, which is negative 3. Distributing that negative 3, I get negative 3n plus 3. And so my rule is going to be an is equal to negative 3n plus 12. Okay, let's do another example. So here I have a11 is equal to 50 and d is equal to 7. So first I have my form that an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Plugging in what I know, I can plug in 11 for n. So I have a11 is equal to a1 plus 11 minus 1 times d, which we know is 7. We also know what a11 is equal to 50. So now I have 50 is equal to a1 plus 10 times 7. And now I can solve for a1. And so 10 times 7, I get 70. And when I subtract 70 from both sides, I get negative 20 is equal to a1. So now I have my first term, I have my common difference, so I can plug those into my form. And so I get negative 20 plus n minus 1 times 7. Distributing my 7, I get 7n minus 7. And so I find that an is equal to 7n minus 27.